fact that the total dash always equal the total. Bookkeeping, assets, liabilities, money, assets, overdrafts, liabilities. According to AS6, depreciable assets are assets which are expected to be used during more than one accounting period, have a limited useful life, are held by an enterprise for use in the production or supply of goods and services for rental to others or for administrative purposes and not for the purpose of sale in the ordinary course of business. All of the above. Which of the following accounting standard is recommendatory and not mandatory? AS1 disclosure of accounting, AS2 revised valuation of inventory, AS3 cash flow statement, AS4 contingency and events occurring after the balance sheet, AS4. In reference to the accounting standards, choose the correct statement. Accounting standards codify the generally accepted accounting principles. They lay down the norms of accounting policies and practices by way of codes or guidelines. The main purpose of accounting standard is to provide information to the user as to the basis on which the accounts have been prepared. An accounting information system is a set of interrelated activities and documents only, activities and technologies only, documents and technologies, activities, documents and technologies. The components of an accounting information are designed to dash collect and dash report dash data information data information data. Which of the following is not the main objective of accounting? Systematic recording of transaction, ascertaining profit or loss, ascertainment of financial position, solving tax disputes with tax authorities. The purpose of financial accounts is reporting to management only, government only, investor only. All of these. Which of the following statement is true? It is the concept of accounting that business will continue. Business unit is not treated separate than its owner. It's concept of accounting that every transaction affects only one account. Financial accounting record for material is kept and no record is kept for its value. Which of the following is wrong? All real and personal accounts are transferred to balance sheet. Nominal accounts are transferred to P&L account. Each account is opened separately in ledger. Rent is a proportional personal account. Outstanding rent is nominal account. Which of the following are components of generally accepted accounting practice? Regional bodies, national accounting standards, national company law, all of these. Ensure that different countries adopt globally applicable set of accounting standards. इसमें IFRS वर्ल्ड बैंक है, बाकी सब कुछ नहीं है. Responsibility centers for control purposes may be classified into dash types. इसका आंसर 3 होगा 100%. Which of the following is not an component of cost and of an asset? Purchase price, refundable sales tax, import duties, estimate of compulsory future dismantling costs. Responsibility accounting is also known as a profitability accounting, activity accounting, both A and B, none of the above. Which of the following cost models is not permitted under IAS 2? FIFO, actual cost, simple average. FIFO की full form है first in first on, last in first out. LIFO की full form है. The area of focus on responsibility centers quantum of sales, quantum of production, optimum utilization of resources, all of the above. Which of the following relate to financial position in a set of financial statements? Assets, liabilities, income and expenses, assets, liabilities and equity, income, expenses and liabilities. For a business, an example of an internal decision maker is a loan officer at a bank, one of the business managers, one of the business's long-term customers, a supplier who sells goods to the company on an account. Under IAS 16, if an asset is idle, depreciation is paused. Depreciation for the entire period does not apply. Depreciation is ignored. Depreciation continues. A responsibility center where the manager is accountable for only the revenues and cost is an cost center, revenue center, investment center, profit center. Which is the biggest challenge faced while conducting performance appraisal? Evaluating performance of self-managed teams, presence of a formal appeal process, appraisals based on traits are to be avoided, none of the above. Nature of controlling is closely related to that of planning, reporting, routing, none of the above. Which of the following is an alternate term used for performance appraisal? Quality and quantity of output, job knowledge, employee assessment, none of the above. For a business, An example of an internal decision maker is a loan officer at a bank, one of the business's managers, one of the business's long-term customers, a supplier who sells goods to the company on an account. Responsibility accounting is also known as profitability accounting, activity accounting, both A and B, none of the above. Which of these options are the activities that constitute the core of performance management? Performance interview, achieving performance data, use of appraisal data, all of the above. Which method is used for evaluating the performance of executives or supervisory positions? Psychological appraisals, assessment centers, behaviorally anchored rating scales, 360-degree feedback. Which of the simplest and most popular technique for appraising employee performance? Rating scales, critical incident, cost accounting, bars. The purpose of financial accounting is reporting to management only, government only, investor only, all of the above.